Even though, like, people have actually left, like, I still feel like it's pretty loud in a house.
Because you're here still.
Oh, I got a message. Gather round, gather round.
Hello, MUAs. Welcome to my TikTok. Get ready with me.
Excuse me.
It's me as well. Oh, it's a good job this isn't live.
That's true. But you will be later today.
Oh my God, we're gonna be live! I've never done a Get Ready With Me. I've never done a live even, so this is gonna be a first time for both things.
I'm constantly on social media, especially TikTok, so I feel like I kind of have an idea of what is expected.
Hey, guys! Hello! Exactly, of course. You know I told you I was gonna come and visit, but I hope you don't mind. I've actually brought a friend with me.
Oh my goodness.
It's only social media superstar, Paige Louise. Hey, MUAs!
Oh my God! I'm obsessed with her stuff. I can't cry because I've got makeup on, but, like, she's an absolute icon.
Lips by Louise. All I'm saying is drop mic, she's right here.
From growing up on a council estate to owning a global cosmetic brand, Paige Louise is one of the most successful beauty CEOs around today. She wows over 2 million followers on the platform with regular show-stopping looks and easy-to-follow hacks.
Relatability and people being able to feel familiar and comfortable whilst watching your video is key. That is what makes you someone right now.
With a makeup training academy to her name and best-selling beauty products, she's proved that anyone can rise to the top working hard at what they love.
So there's a reason that I'm in your beautiful home today, and that's because my career started in my bedroom.
Wow.
You guys get the opportunity today to jump on my live for 15 minutes. Okay, so during this 15 minutes, we have to use one product only, in as many ways possible.
Performing with a purple eyeshadow, it's Kieran. Good luck.
Introduction is key. People need to see what they are tuning into, what they're staying for.
I love your hair, by the way.
Thank you.
It's stunning.
Make sure that you give them everything that they need to stay for the whole show.
Ooh. So today, I'm gonna show you how much stuff you can do with purple eyeshadow.
Okay.
Kieran is not engaging with their audience.
No.
Bad move.
I'm gonna start off with like a bit of a Grace Jones moment. Do you know what I mean? Like with the...
Yes.
Oh my God!
Yes. The
right
hair, the
right
wavy
there. Sorry. So I'm gonna start off with this like shadow, and I'm just gonna like pack it in right here. I'm gonna go for a little bit of a blush moment on my nose, because who doesn't love a blush nose?
I'm not sure about putting it over the bridge of the nose. It kind of looks like you've had a nose job and the bruising is going down.
So next, I'm gonna do a bit of a purple slit in my brow, because I'm fancying something a bit edge, bright, colourful. You know what I'm saying?
Kieran has applied the blush to the cheek, the nose, and now to the brow.
Yeah.
And it's only been 5 minutes.
People are saying this is the definition right now that makeup literally has no rules.
Exactly. Put it everywhere. Put it all over your face. Do you know what I mean? Put it on your shoulders if you want to. Who cares?
Kieran's going to put so much purple in the brow, in the smoky.
Anywhere else?
We're going to end up smurfing.
2 minutes left, the pressure's on. What else can we add during that time?
I'm gonna start flicking this.
Where are they going to flick it? They're going to flick freckles. Oh, it's a freckle flick.
Oh.
So it's got a bit of a spray painty look to it.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's the finishing touches done.
Thank you guys, thanks for having me. The hardest thing about it was stopping myself from putting purple over my entire face.
I liked Kieran, but they didn't handle the scenario at the beginning great.
I didn't even realise where the camera was until like 30 seconds in. I like sat down and then she was like, the camera's right there.
I just felt like they had a little bit too much time on their hands because everything was rushed, that they then was just putting the product in places it didn't actually look flattering.
Guys, what a great day. But I really think this is going to be a tough one to call.